In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a family tree-style chart in Google Sheets using the Insert Chart method on your desktop. This is a fantastic way to visualize your family history in a simple and organized format. We'll treat the family tree as a hierarchical structure, much like an organizational chart, since Google Sheets supports that kind of layout perfectly. To get started, open up a blank sheet in Google Sheets. The first step is to set up your data in two columns. In column A, label it Person. This is where you'll list each individual, such as yourself, your parents, grandparents, and so on. In column B, label it Parent Reports To. Here, you'll list each person's parent or whom they descend from. If there's no one above a person on a certain branch, just leave that space blank. This will signify that the individual is at the top of their branch or generation. Once you've entered all your data, you'll need to select the data range you've created, covering both columns. Now, head over to the menu and select Insert, and then choose Chart. This action will open the Chart Editor panel to the right of your screen. Within the Chart Editor, make sure you're under the Setup tab. Now you want to change the chart type to an organizational chart. Sometimes you might see this labeled as organizational or simply org chart. It's important because this will transform your basic data into a structured family tree. If you've used headers for your columns, such as person and parent, make sure to check the option labeled Use Row 1 as headers in the chart editor. Doing so ensures that these headers aren't mistaken for data points. You can also choose to enrich this chart by including extra info, such as birth dates or generation notes. For this, add a third column for tooltip data and input the additional information accordingly. When inserting the chart, select all three columns. This additional data will then be interactive. It'll display when you hover your cursor over a node in the chart. To make your chart visually appealing, use the Customize tab in the chart editor. Here you can adjust size and color and handle more specific tinkering under the org settings. Personalizing these settings will help highlight the information in a way that best suits your needs. After you've set up your chart just the way you want it, you have the flexibility to resize and move the chart within your sheet. You can also print or share it with family and friends, ensuring the details of your family tree can be enjoyed far and wide. And there you have it. You've created a comprehensive family tree-style chart using Google Sheets. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to explore even more creative ways to use Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!